Hey everyone, welcome back to CashFlow Central. If you're looking to make some quick cash online but are tired of hearing about the same old websites, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal 3 underrated websites that can help you earn money fast. These hidden gems are perfect for anyone looking to boost their income without a lot of hassle. Let's get started. First up is UserTesting.com. This site pays you to test websites and apps, giving feedback on the user experience. It's simple, straightforward, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. Sign up on UserTesting.com and complete a sample test to qualify. Once approved, you'll receive testing opportunities via email. Each test typically takes about 20 minutes and pays $10 via PayPal. The best part? Companies value honest feedback, so there's no need to sugarcoat your opinions. You'll provide your thoughts on things like website navigation, functionality, and overall user experience. Payments are processed 7 days after completing a test, so you'll see your earnings quickly. It's a great way to make extra money in your spare time. Next, let's talk about freelance writing on Textbroker.com. If you enjoy writing and have a good command of the English language, this platform can be a goldmine. Sign up on Textbroker.com and submit a short writing sample. Your sample will be rated, and you'll be assigned a quality level from 2 to 5 stars. You can start writing articles immediately, choosing from a variety of topics available in the order pool. Payments are based on your quality level, with higher ratings earning more per word. You can request payouts once you've reached the minimum threshold, and payments are made weekly via PayPal. Whether you're writing product descriptions, blog posts, or technical articles, Textbroker offers a steady stream of work and the opportunity to improve your skills while getting paid. Now, let's explore a lesser-known online marketplace called Bonanza.com. If you've got items to sell but find platforms like eBay or Amazon too crowded, Bonanza is a fantastic alternative. Here's why Bonanza stands out. It's user-friendly and easy to set up your online booth. The listing fees are lower than many other marketplaces. Bonanza integrates with Google Shopping, which can help drive traffic to your listings. Create an account on Bonanza.com and set up your seller profile. List your items with detailed descriptions and high-quality photos. Promote your listings through social media and other channels to boost visibility. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or electronics, Bonanza offers a supportive community and a straightforward platform to make sales quickly. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to diversify their online selling strategy. Now, as a bonus tip, let me introduce you to Rev.com. If you have strong listening skills and a good grasp of grammar, you can earn money transcribing audio files or captioning videos. Sign up on Rev.com and take a short transcription or captioning test. Once approved, you can start accepting projects from their job board. Payments are made weekly via PayPal based on the length and complexity of the tasks. Transcription and captioning are in high demand, and Rev provides a flexible way to earn extra cash, especially if you prefer working with audio and video content. It's a perfect side hustle for those who enjoy detailed, focused work. To summarize, the 3 underrated websites for quick cash online are UserTesting.com. Get paid to test websites and apps. Textbroker.com. Earn money writing articles. Bonanza.com. Sell items on a niche marketplace. And don't forget our bonus tip, Rev.com, for transcription and captioning work. These platforms offer unique opportunities to make money quickly and easily. Subscribe my channel for more money-making tips.